iX Fleet in-dispenser fuel control terminals bring pay-at-the-pump convenience to private fleet facilities. iX Fleet terminals are available factory installed in Standard Select or Select S1 models. The dispenser and fuel control terminal can now be installed in one easy step. Separate power wiring to a fuel control terminal is eliminated. Use of DFS wireless modems for Ethernet communication to the controller creates a true plug-and-play installation. Each terminal and dispenser has an IP address, allowing it to communicate over an existing local network to the controller if desired to take advantage of existing network infrastructure. Each dispenser is equipped with an iX Fleet terminal. Dual host dispensers have the choice of having one terminal or a terminal on each side of the dispenser. The iX Fleet terminal includes your choice of RFID, HID procs, magnetic stripe, or no reader, a 5.7-inch QVGA display with soft keys, and a numeric keypad. Access tags or cards identify the vehicle or employee, and the other identity may be entered through the keypad so vehicles and employees may be identified with each transaction. The second half of the system is the iX Fleet fuel controller, which includes a color monitor, keyboard, and mouse for a complete workstation. The Windows-based controller is pre-installed with an SQL database for authorizing vehicles, employees, and for reporting of captured transactions. Vehicles are entered into the vehicle database with their descriptive information and control parameters, required prompts, odometer reasonability information, maximum number of fuelings per day, transaction fill limit, allowed fuel types, and allowed sites for fueling. Employees are entered into the employee database with their descriptive information, required prompts, maximum fuelings per day, allowed vehicle types, and allowed sites for fueling. The iX Fleet fuel control system is a redundant distributed system to maximize uptime and to keep the terminal authorization time the same regardless if 1 or 200 terminals. The employee and vehicle databases are synced to each of the terminals on a regular basis. Transactions are authorized directly at the terminal where they are initiated, and the transaction information is retained there until the next time the terminal controller syncs. Therefore, if for some reason terminal controller communication is interrupted, like for instance they are on an existing network and it's temporarily taken down for maintenance, fueling your vehicles is not affected. Data is retained until communication is restored. When transactions are synced back to the controller, they are inserted into a reporting database for reports. A fuel usage report writer allows you to customize your transaction reports. In the first part of 2021, we will be adding iX Fleet to the DX Fleet Cloud solution. With a DX Fleet Cloud solution subscription, you will no longer need a local iX Fleet controller. iX Fleet terminals communicate with an edge computer, which is then connected to the DX Fleet Cloud services. Your database administration and reporting is now done through the internet to your own portal, providing anywhere connectivity. The issues with a local server on your network, keeping server software updated to the latest version, and maintaining database backups are eliminated. The DX Fleet Cloud solution also includes new features like enhanced dashboard monitoring, alert text messaging, scheduled reporting, and tank reconciliation.